I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the data range and creating a named range or Excel table for stability. Next, identify the column that contains your lookup value and the column you want returned. Now enter match. Match, lookup value, lookup column, 0 to get the row number. This is faster and avoids left join limits. Once done, keep that match formula visible. Make sure to lock ranges with $ where necessary, so your subsequent index call references the correct row. Now combine the pieces. Use index to pull the value from the return range using the row number match found. For example, index, return range, match, lookup value, lookup column, 0. If you need a specific column inside a multi-column table, add the column number, index, table match. 3. Once done, consider wrapping match inside IFR to handle missing values. Also, make sure to use absolute references for ranges, so copying the formula across rows preserves the lookup ranges. Finish by expanding index/match for real-world needs. For multiple criteria, create a helper column or use index with match on a combined key. Alternatively, use aggregate for NTH matches. Once done, convert formulas to values if you need static outputs, and use structured references when possible. If results are wrong, first check data types and hidden spaces. Use trim, value, or text to align them. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched types cause no match. Fix types, then recalc and confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.